Okay, so this is just a quick overview of what we're going to be creating in the AI edit on Friday. So I have different prompts that I'm going to take you through to help ChatGPT analyze your writing, like existing writing, to come up with better programming to help it write more like you in the future. So we're going to go through different prompts. They're going to help it really understand your tone, how you speak, different personality traits that just come across naturally in the way that you write. Deep dive into brand personality, your attitude in your writing, your style. So, is it formal versus conversational? Your values in your communication. So, mine ended up being clarity with personality, transparency, and honesty. Brands that I write similar to, and it's going to kind of pull big brands from that. We might also do some brand phrases that it says often versus not often. I didn't have that in this example. How you write, so like long paragraphs versus short paragraphs, like the style of your writing. So do you start with a story, like a personal anecdote, and then go into a lesson? It says I often use numbered lists or steps. How you transition in your content, or if you use transitions, how you do your calls to action, how your brand is going to build trust and relatability and authority. So yeah, there's a lot that we can get out of this, but then I also show you how to take this and plug it into ChatGPT to use it to create content that actually sounds just like you. Kind of freaky. So this is coming out in our paid newsletter on Friday.